Good morning, everyone. My name is Ricky J. Bidas Jr. I am 19 years old and I'm from Santa Maria, Davao Occidental, and I currently live in Matina, Gravahan. Now, I am studying at the University of Mindanao, taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Filipino. My achievements in life are that I won a trophy in Jumbo Race competition in Boy Scout during high school, where I became the champion. I am also a honor student in high school. My talent is dancing, and I also love to draw and paint in my free time. My hobbies include joining activities in our church such as Youth Fest. One of my hobbies is playing basketball. I am also a chess player and used to play Sudoku back in elementary school. My main sport is chess. I started playing chess at the age of 11 and began competing in chess tournaments when I was in 6th grade. I was the representative of our school, both elementary and high school, for chess and Sudoku. Also, I love to play online games like Mobile Legends. I always join Mobile Legends tournaments and I always travel everywhere just to participate tournaments. Um, Also, my passion is in business. One of my dreams po talaga is to own an animal farm business. My dream all started when I was a kid when my father taught me how to handle our small pig business. At the age of 16, my father entrusted me with taking care of our pigs. Dito po ako natuto how to handle our business, paano magkaroon ng profit sa business mo. Kaya I made my promise to my father na pag makapagtapos po ako is papalakihin po namin yung business namin. And that's all. Thank you for listening.